Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about application of vestigial sideband modulation in television broadcasting. I am Harshan, Department of Electronic and Communication from SVC Bangalore. Introduction. Today we will talking about vestigial sideband modulation in television broadcasting. In this video, we will discuss working principle of VSB modulation, compare it with other modulation technique used in television broadcasting, highlights its advantages and provide an example of application in digital and high definition television. How this techniques allows broadcaster to transmit high quality signals over a long distance without any loss of clarity or detail. Before going to the vestigial sideband modulation, let us take the overview of television broadcasting. Television broadcasting involves signal generation. Audio and video signal are created and combined into a single signal. Then, signal processing. The combined signal is cleaned up and remove the noise and interference. The next step is transmission. The processed signal is sent over a air or through a cables to reach a viewers. Then next step is reception. The viewers use antenna or cable to receive the transmitted signal. Then decoding. The received signal is decoded, separating the audio and video signal. Then display. The decoded signals are shown on the television screen for viewers to watch. Understanding vestigial sideband modulation. Vestigial sideband modulation is the form of amplitude modulation where one sideband is significantly attenuated. The carrier signal is modulated with the video and audio signal. It allows efficient utilization of bandwidth while maintaining the signal quality. As you can see in the diagram of amplitude modulation, the first wave indicates the message signal and the second one is carrier signal and amplitude modulated signal is the third one. Let us know about what is vestigial sideband modulation. Vestigial sideband modulation is a technique used in the television broadcasting to transmit the audio and the video signal over airwaves. It works by taking the original signal and splitting into sidebands, one above and one below the carrier frequency. It works by filtering out the one sideband of the signal, leaving only a vestige of the other sideband. This allows more efficient use of the available bandwidth. This allows more a narrower bandwidth signal to transmitted without sacrificing the quality of the signal. As you can see in the diagram, it has the two sidebands. One is upper sideband, that is USB, and another one is a lower sideband part, that is the LSB. USB is the fully one part of the sideband, and the another part is the vestige part. This is not a full part of the lower sideband. This is the vestige part. It means it contains the little part of the lower sideband. That's called as the vestige sideband. By this, the vestigial sideband can transmit the signal by more efficiently without losing any information. Let us see the working principle of the VSB modulation. Vestigial sideband modulation is the form of amplitude modulation that is commonly used in television broadcasting. In VSB modulation, the carrier signal is modulated by the baseband signal and then filtered to remove one of the sideband and a portion of the other sideband. The remaining signal, which contains information from the baseband signal, is known as the vestigial sideband. The vestigial sideband is important because it allows for more efficient use of available bandwidth. By removing one of the sideband, VSB modulation reduces the amount of bandwidth required to transmit the signal while still maintaining the high quality transmission. This makes VSB modulation ideal for use in digital television broadcasting where efficient use of bandwidth is essential. So let us discuss some application of vestigial sideband modulation. Vestigial sideband modulation and HDTV. Vestigial sideband modulation played a crucial role in the transmission from analog to digital television broadcasting. It enables transmission of high definition television signal over air. VSBM ensures that HDTV signals can be received by existing analog television receivers with the help of the set-top boxes. The second application is VSBM in cable television. VSBM is also used in cable television system for transmitting multiple channels through a single coaxial cable. Cable television provides use of VSBM to deliver a wide range of channels to subscribers efficiently. The VSBM signals are decoded by the cable boxes or television tuners at the customer's end. And the third application is VSBM and ATSC standards. ATSC stands for Advanced Television System Committee, are the standards of an American set of standards for digital television transmission over a terrestrial, cable and satellite networks. It is a largely a replacement of the analog NTSC standards, and like that standards used mostly in the United States, Mexico, Canada and South Korea. As you see in the picture, Dolby Atmos and the Dolby Vision were brought by the ATSC to increase the quality of the content. The Dolby Atmos increases the sound quality and the Dolby Vision increases the visual quality. And the fourth application is VSBM and mobile television. VSBM has also found application in mobile television broadcasting. It enables the delivery of television signal to mobile devices such as smartphone and tablets. VSBM helps optimize the bandwidth usage of ensures reliable reception in mobile environment. As you can see, the examples of the mobile television such as the YouTube Live and Spotify, Apple Music, Netflix, Apple TV and the many more, and Amazon Prime as well. Let us compare VSP versus DSPSC and SSP in television broadcasting and why VSP is better. Let us see the DSPSC. In DSPSC, the double side suppressed carrier. In this, the both USB and LSP are transmitted. The bandwidth is large, so video will have some disturbance because of the wider bandwidth. It requires a complex demodulation at the receiver. Because of this reason, we will not use the DSPSC. Let's go to the single sideband. Here, only a one sideband is transmitted. Even it have a greater bandwidth efficiency. It is almost same as the VSP, but it does not contain the vestige part of the sideband. So there will be a data loss. We can't use the single sideband as well. And we are going to the VSP finally. It transmits both the vestige part of the sideband and the original sideband. And no data loss will be there. Both are in audio and video signal. It offers the good efficiency because of the smaller bandwidth, and it is mostly common used method in the modern television broadcasting. Let us conclude our video. Television broadcasting utilizing VSP modulation is applied in terrestrial and cable broadcasting as well as in digital television and HDTV broadcasting, allowing for more efficient transmission of TV signals, improved signal quality and deliver enhanced audio and video content to the viewers. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe to my channel for further updates and press the bell icon.